Ladies.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Bam. Hello. Hi, Zach. Hi, Unicorn. Congrats on getting here first.
Ladies.
Look at you. How's your Saturday? Happy Saturday, everybody. I have a bajillion blood points, so I'm just going to be spending them in the background. Pay no attention to the spirit. Oh, hot dog. My favorite map. JK. Hi, Leon. I swear I don't hate your kind. What? What did I do? He literally was chasing like 7 people. But no. He comes for me. No! Leave me alone. That looks like Nurse is calling. Ooh, he didn't even break the thing. Oh my goodness. I do like Rowlet. I think Rowlet is very cute. Let's try to clear the butthole again. Ah! Damn it! Oh, but they're so interesting to look at. I was kind of running them like it was the unknown. Like, girl, you don't have to stare at it. I love X-Men too. I'm watching the new season, and my goodness, it is emotional. And I was like, I am so glad I didn't watch this like at night before bed, because I would be a wreck trying to get to sleep. I'm like trying to sleep listening to my Enya, but I'm like the X-Men. It was heartbreaking. It really was, Zach. You were there. Leah! Nancy! What is happening? I'm glad you understand, Cozy. It was so good, though. We did it! You see nothing. Haha! Okay. I'll go for the save from over here. There's no way to go from over here. So I'll go this way. Aw, they're gonna get there anyways before me. I bet he's coming right back here. Uh-oh. Poke, poke. She looks a little frozen. Zach, I don't think we really talked the last 10 minutes. We were just open-mouthed. We really were. It was jaw on the floor, gooped. Uh-oh. Hell yeah. I'm so scared. No! He totally has nowhere to hide. That is so funny. Ooh, if he had wound up his majigger. Yeah! That was so close. We're not gonna say anything. Stop it. I'm so sorry, Demogorgon. You precious, precious puppy. I don't know what happened with that. It's so frustrating to me.
This is crazy.
Is it though? Nick. Now it's gonna sound like I'm talking to Sallow this whole game. Hi. Hello. You're in my way. I can't get past you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Your butt's too big. Thanks for the lurk, Brian. I mean, Bly. What are you doing tonight? Warhammer? I don't even know what that is. Whoops. Drop it to your way. Yeah. Oh, that's so funny. I'm kind of surprised he didn't stop doing the shock to hit me. Oh, he went through it. I can't believe the chaos. Damn it. That one X-Men that everyone loves. So yeah. Ugh, that took 5 ever to load in. But wish me luck. Whispers, don't fail me now. Oh, I saw someone already. Hello, tree. Why is she injured already? I found the person with no mither first, of course. Meg. What? I like could not figure out where she was. I just kept seeing her head. Slut. I'll take you instead. Ha! Didn't expect me to blink in place. She's so hidey. There she is. Big Daddy J, I found you. Come back. Survivor, come back. Oh my god, I hate her. She's tripping me up. Oh, so close. Oh, they finally got their first gen done. I heard you. Jesus Christ. Yeah, pup, I had a weird but productive day until like 4 p.m. Then you slept till 8:15 and you were late to the stream? How could you? I thought you were a real fan. But now I understand that you are a fake fan. What's that new charm? Which one? You're talking about On the Hook, right? There you go. You go away. So we got this kitty. Very witchling, isn't it? That's why I wear this one so much. Then we have gay.
Gay? Gay.
And this one's like a little, like, I don't know, like a computer board music doohickey with, but it has colors, so I like it, okay? Did she think I didn't see her? It's cool, right? I like that it flashes colors. It's a thingy. Oh, I see all of you. That is so funny. Where are you going? Hello. Oh, that was too good. I was like, I think if I just walk this way, she might just... Yeah, she did. I actually didn't see where the hook was. Oh, here it is. I saw. Okay. Do you just not let yourself go above 20k now? Is that the thing? That the rule? One of them has distortion. And I don't like it. But 10 is so many clicks. Lucky. Come back. Hell yeah. I'm gonna use my tail. Oh, I can't believe that didn't get her. Oh, thank God that activated. I clicked it, but I wasn't sure if I would be like in the middle of that falling action. Okay. The first time I'm using a tunnel. What was that? Oh, I think she trapped it is what happened. What? The flashlight attempts are so funny. Oh, you do not have time, girl. Really? What is that? You fell for it. I don't know. I don't know what's around your house. Or your apartment. Or your condo. Or your mansion. Not this map. The area of crows. What a terrible totem spawn. Her new house is in the Upper Peninsula. Ooh. Yeah. Like, what are you doing? Oh, Yahtzee. Ooh. That's funny. I think she's dead now, actually. I keep trying to figure out, like, if it feels like, haha. It's my walk. That's the problem. I should never walk. What? should never walk again. Oh my goodness. I don't normally call people dramatic, but that's completely reasonable and totally legit and logical. I wish when you decided that you just started levitating because you just refused to walk anyway. Let's go look for the hatch. Oh, found it. That's funny. Meg, where art thou? Meg, Meg. I wrote your name on it. I don't think she looked at me enough to know that I'm not doing anything. Wait, did you see it? You're so close. I can angle you closer towards it. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. No, don't go in the main building. She's like circling it. Yes, you're so close. You're so close. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. She is like having an adrenaline rush. I love it. Good for you, Meg. I love you. Me? Oh, Benjamin. Okay. I could not stop reading it as Penjamin. Penjimin? Penjiminy? Nah. Not the nightmare. You're so funny. But I love the way you think. Wait, do they have stuffed crust crazy bread? Is that what you are signaling to me? Why would she be seen? How did he get there? Where did he come from? Yeah, Pup, I'm sorry if I just screamed in your ears. Unicorn and I would join that cult too. Love. Wait, did he have... Somebody's healing in the basement. You did work hard on that, Sallow. You're a wordsmith. I don't think enough people realize this. You should stop applying to all the places you're applying to and just start writing a book. Uh-oh. Damn it! Stupid Meg. Stupid sexy Flanders. Yeah, Pup, yeah, you absolutely can have too many tops, right? Rachel Ray, too many tops and no bottoms? Or wait, 2 bottoms and no tops? That's no fun at any party. Sallow, I'm a pineapple girly and I have no shame, nor am I taking critiques at this time. I love it. I like pineapple on pizza as well. I don't like it with ham, that's for sure. Like, I don't know what that's about. No, leave me alone. No. Why did I slow vault? What the frick? Outfits, okay? Like, come on. Get the booty up here. Come on, we're booty, booty, booty. Come on. Up. There he is. Confirmed Witchling hates Huntress, not that. Oh. I'm being exposed right here on Twitch. He was tired of it. The pop-up when he heard the bag, I know. There we go. The way he keeps looking at the treat. Okay. So we have these hearts, because we love him. And he is very food motivated. Ah, Zach! Not the spreading of rumors. Here we go. Good boy. Good boy. Get my man. The way that he ate that without touching me even in the slightest. Such a good boy. You're a good boy. You don't hurt daddy like you have in the past, where I lost my fingers. Oh, I would love to get rid of Trickster. Good boy. So that's Mr. Light. That was about being food motivated and your petition. Witchling, I can't believe what I'm hearing. What? They are telling terrible falsehoods and liatrons. You can't listen to a word they're saying. I love Huntress, okay? We all know this. I'm basically a Huntress main. At least I don't have a DC penalty, so there's that. We're just repeating what you've said on recorded camera. How am I supposed to compute this? My chat is turning against me right before my eyeballs. Lying right to our faces. Ah! I'm losing control immediately. So quickly, I've lost control of this situation. I'm gonna try and get ahead of it and tweet that I don't hate Huntress, and people are gonna be like, "You hate Huntress? What?" And I'll be like, "No, I said don't." No. Oh God. If anything, let me hate on someone else, like, I don't know, Blight, Trickster, that's fine. I've only been here for like 40 minutes, but I can tell. Now we're gonna need an apology video. My bad. Friend, would you like to duo? Are you already in the game? If you wanna slip on in. Oh, that sounds bad. If you wanna get on, I can wait for you. The Witchling is over partied. No. Who's hosting? I'll be there. Pull out the ukulele. Oh my God, imagine if I just sang like a song and then forgot to say I'm sorry. Just made you listen to my singing. And then I was like, I'm releasing my solo album in 2 weeks. Oh fuck, sorry about whatever. That's what it would be like. As a Huntress main, I'm very sad about this news. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You come to my stream, you follow me, and then I just shit all over your favorite killer. Get them removed from your favorite game, I suppose. I'm going to come out like a silent fart about hating the Huntress. No! I hate this. I feel like I'm being bullied. This is what they talk about when they talk about people being bullied off of Twitch. It's people creating falsehoods about Huntress. Well, how can I hate the Huntress? I've played her before. See? Foolproof argument there. Oh god, Dragon Phoenix. Is this foreshadowing? Nightmare on Elm Street. Friday the 13th. Oh, this could also mean that you're a Ghostface, because Ghostface asks that questions. No, trolling works.
And sis, that's tea.
Jesus. Dragon Phoenix, yours is Scream. I believe that. Watch, you're gonna be Michael Myers. If you trick me and say that you're somebody else and then you scare the shit out of me with somebody else, I'm gonna scream. Probably out of fear. My real favorite scary movie, it's probably The Ring. Honestly, Zach, it's The Artist. Explosive 28. Are you kidding? Is that all killer, or are you doing both, like survivors and killers, kind of like intermixing? I think it's Ghostface. Ada, listen to me. Listen to my Morse code. Ah! I tried to tell her. Ah! It is Ghostface. So I guess they didn't lie to us. What's your favorite scary movie? Give me nightmares. Gotcha. That makes sense. Explosive. Where? From where? What happened? Where am I? No! 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 God damn it! No! From where? Getting exposed out of nowhere is not fun, okay? It's scary. But Explosive, you have 44 left between the both of them. That's a huge chunk of them done already, though. Like, that's majorly impressive. Especially because there's people like me who have none. I don't think I even have one adept. Really? I'll plot twist your ass. Do you see me do the plot twist? Yeah, Explosive, I don't even have Nurse as adept, I don't think. I'm pretty sure I don't. Does the totem spawn on the 3rd floor anymore? Like, what? What? Where? Who? What? Ah! Leave me alone. so scared. Ah! No! God damn it. No. Ooh, what's happening? What? Why? Ooh. You see how many skill checks I miss, Unicorn. Rain and ghost faces. Ah! Where did you come from? I didn't hear him at all. Oh, that was so scary. I was like, oh, okay, he left. Cool, cool, I'm good. Suddenly in chase again. Oh. Terrifying. I need your scream as a sound alert. Oh my gosh, could you imagine? And people would play that as the jump scare. It would condition you to be so used to my screaming, so it would just help you as a viewer of my stream too. It's a win-win for both of us. Ah! I'm dead. I can't believe that worked. I'm so sorry. Oh, that is so funny. Killers doing the slow turn are one of my fucking favorite things.
Lady.
Hi, Sophia. We're playing against a devious, evil ghost face who is scaring the shit out of me. But then I just plot twisted him so good. And thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being such a cool human and coming in and saying hi. And then I betrayed you immediately with Huntress. Oh, there's no thing here. No. Ooh, do you have a Mori? Aw. Goodbye, cruel world. I would gladly die for this ghost face. That was so much fun. That was so funny. Yes, I'll bring light up for you. He like jerks awake. But Dragon, thank you for the really fun game. I hope you had fun too. Come on, Mr. Light. Come on. You get another treat today. There we go. Bam. Okay. Let's bring him to the big screen. We got our little heart-shaped treat. He's got his eyes on the prize. That time my fingers went in his mouth, but he did not bite down hard. Thank you. Ew. Thank you for the redemption, Sophia, and I'm sure Light very much appreciates it. What you looking at? You're a good boy. There you go. Do you like how he's just a potato? Not the raccoon police department of it all. Let's see which side we're on. Aww. Blood favor? Who is that? Who could that be? And of course, you first, Steve. Oh my god, it is a blight. I knew it. If I could get down there quick enough, I would get in a locker. No! That's so sad. I'm so sorry, Sophia. This is just a practice round, right? We gotta warm up your computer to the DVDs. No big deal. She had to go switch for the gen? She couldn't save me? Too much time out of her busy schedule? Can I heal you? Oh my god, I am so sorry. Uh-oh. Also, when I played Blight, I was on this map too, so I feel his pain. His pain resonance, get it? Sorry for breaking your back, Sophia.
Ladies.
There's no gen in here. He saw nothing. I had to. Ah! Damn it! I stuck. I'm so scared. Damn it! That was so good of them. Sophia, you're so funny. So funny, you should be a goddamn comedian. Oh. Well, there's that. I can't. I'm so sorry. We're just in such tight corners. Sophia, I cannot believe you. Evil, evil Sophia. But that was so smart, doing it in the doorway where he had to kind of look where he was going. You're a menace, I'll say. And then you're always like, oh, woe is me. Always being tunneled by killers after I flashlight them. And then I do this. And then I do that. Come over here, I'll stun him. Ooh, there they are. Ah, no! I didn't think he would see me so quickly. Ah! I'm so sorry. Sorry to Sophia, sorry to the Blight, sorry to my mom. Sorry to this cow for the honor that I've lost. So sad. Oh my god, Sophia! Ooh, back to Midwich.
Ladies.
Good luck, Sophia. Killing spree. Do you think he'll see me? I'm so scared. Gosh darn you! I can't believe that. The way he waited so long. Whoa, where did he go? I'm suspicious. Claudette, would you shush? Oh my god! Do you think I could do it? Yes! Oh, I love it. I love it so much. He must have thought I like faked him out and went back. But no. I'm just a locker troll. So at least I'm getting some revenge on these killers for you. Relatable content. Do you think we'll be able to find Hatch? Ah, he's not happy about anything. I did not expect him to be hiding inside the stall. Evil, evil, evil. Evil dies tonight. Yes, I did got it. That was a fabulous ending to that game. He found the hatch. Oh wow. Thank you, Zach. That was really weird. The OBS crashed, but not the game or anything else. Like I still had chat. It was wild. Uh-oh. Ah! Did you see him? I couldn't figure out where he was, and then it was like that, and he was scary. Run. No! Leave me alone. God. Another ghost face in my life. But it's been like Stealth Killer Central. I'll say that. We went against one demo, one Huntress. I'm so sorry. Also, Dino, it's rank reset, so you get some blood point monies. But also sometimes it seems like people sweat a lot right after reset. So that could be another reason for why things have been kind of up and down for some people. Ah! Right? However, oh my god. I did kind of get rank 1 survivor. No! It was so close. Save me, Sophia. Yeah. Oh well. That was a really good jump, mister. I love you so much. Have a good night, Unicorn. Thank you so much for hanging out. Perhaps I will see you tomorrow. If not, I will hopefully see you in your stream sometime soon. This was a really fun stream. I'm so glad that we did it. And hopefully we'll be gaming more tomorrow. I hope everyone has a good rest of their Saturday. And get some rest tonight and be kind to yourselves. Give yourself a break and give yourself a treat, okay? Okay. Okay. Talk to y'all later. Bye.